the shoulder width apart, okay? And then what you do is you take your right foot and you cross over the left foot like this. Got it? Now you take that right foot, put it back, and then take the left foot and cross over the right foot like this. And then put it back, okay? It's really simple. So it's like this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, you can count it, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And if you're wondering what to do with your hands, it's okay to put them up in the air or to the side, just to keep a little bit of a balance, okay? I didn't tell you to stop. Okay. All right? And it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I'm wondering if Ramachandra danced in the Dandaka forest. We know that Krishna did. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and put up your hands again. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's good. I hope everyone's wearing deodorant. 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's good. 1. And it's beautiful when everyone moves the same. Then it's beautiful. Just to get ready for the Rath Yatra, when you go in public, you want to do the same moves, right? Not this one necessarily, but be in show uniformity. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Very good. People in the middle of the room are doing really good. Let's see. Good. And the more hands we can see, the better it is. And 4. Oh, that's pretty good. Somebody's got to video this. This is going to go viral. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2. Okay, that's good. We're doing really good. And now, we're going to introduce the mantra to see if we can dance and sing at the same time. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oh, stop. Stop singing. The method is Shravanam Kirtanam. One person leads, and then everyone follows, okay? That's the method. I didn't make it up. It's not my program. Okay? But I will lead, you listen, and then you follow. Okay? I'm going to sing. Don't you sing. You listen. When I'm finished the mantra, then you introduce. Okay? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
You can dance. Hare Krishna. No. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone.
Hare Krishna,
Very good.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
And I hope you smile.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
You're doing good, doing good. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
The curtains will open and then we'll just dance to offer Dandavat. So that is one kind of dance. There are others that are simple, but that's a good one to start with. It's the easy. Okay. Shri Radha Shama Shri Ramachandra Ki. Chai. Now we'll sing the song it's called the Gaura Arti in honor of Chaitanya. And then very soon thereafter we'll get into the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, okay? All right. First of all, we'll start with the mantras for Prabhupada, and this is going on for 20 minutes. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Vinamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravanga Charine Nirvishesha Shubhari Hasya Pratisha Karine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravanga Charine Nirvishesha Shubhari Hasya Pratisha Karine Jaya Gaura Chandel Arati Ko Shobha
Jayo, Jaya Gora Chande, Aarti ka shobha.
Tai Jam Mami Godadhara Gajere Dhana Mami Godadhara Anika Advaita Shini Vasa Chakradara Gaurchan Ratna Singh Hasan Vase Yate Gaurchan Ratna Singh Hasan Arati Ko Inna Brahma Aditya Bhagan Adhikori Chamaradu Laya Narari Asanja Amukundo Tosu Dosanikaya Sangha Bhaje Tantra Bhaje Bhaje Khara Thala Sangha Madhurami Dina Bhaje Paramarasala Chandra Jini Vadana Ujvala Chandra Jini Vadana Ujvala Agala Tese Namala Kori Jalamala Anarada Prime Toda Gata Prime Toda Gata Ahapata Tirino Dake Tora Rasampada Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Namaste Narasimhaya केशवदीता राम शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे केशवदीता राम शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश राम शरीर जगदीश राम शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य सुत्तर सुद श्रीमती His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Ji. Jai Om Vishnupad Paramahamsa Parivrajakacharya Sutter Sri His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Goswami Maharaj Prabhupada Ji. Ananta Koti Vaishnavadindahi Mama Karishava Haridasa Goriki Dreams to go seek to Satyabhanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadha Shastri Gaurava Govindaji Sri Sri Radha Krishna Gopa Gopina Shyama Gunda Radha Gunda Sri Govindaji Sri Vrindavan Nam Ki Navadvipa Manipurvam Ki Shri Ayodhya Dham Ki Ganga Mai Ki Yamuna Mai Ki Bhakti Devi Ki Tulsi Devi Ki Hari Naam Sankirtan Ki Abrihat Prabhanga Ki Samma Veda Bhakta Ki Glories to the assembled devotees Hare Krishna Glories to the assembled devotees Krishna Glories to the assembled devotees Hare Krishna Glories to Sri Guru and Sri Gauranga Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vishaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Nami Niti Namaste Saraswati Hare Krishna. Bolo Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. So a big applause for all of you, please. And thank you very much, Maharaj, for this very static. Did you enjoy the kirtan? Yes. So we would like Maharaj to be here a bit very often. Yes. But I know you all know that Maharaj is traveling. He just came from my country. Which country? Mauritius. Mauritius. Yeah. Maharaj was there and he had a very nice time over there, I hope. So yes, Maharaj, thank you very much for coming and giving association to all our ISKCON devotees, congregation members here. Thank you very much. By the mercy of Shri Srila Prabhupada and Shri Radha Shyam Sundar and our dear Lord Ram, we were able to have a very nice program today, and a very wonderful and a very full of gratitude to all our devotees from the Vishwa Parishad, Vishwa Hindu Parishad. Thank you very much for. It was really wonderful. Thank you very much. And now we have some announcement because we have prasad for all of you here today. So the devotees they are preparing the plate. So in the meantime we have some announcement. So please let's hear from our director of communication, Ashoka Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So we want to announce the next big festival coming, which is Jagannath Rath Yatra on June 29th, Saturday, and we are going to celebrate that festival in Milton Community Sports Park right here. How many of you came last year to be part of Rath Yatra? Wonderful, Haribol. So those who missed last year, there is a chance to be a part of this Rath Yatra. It's a procession. We will be starting the procession with the Rath with Harinam at 11 a.m. and we'll finish by 1 p.m. and then we'll have Prashad at 1:30 p.m. and then followed by performances. So there will be lot of performances, lot of kirtan, lot of dance. So please, humble request, spread the word. It's already posted, the flyer is already posted on the social media. So please help to spread the word so that more people can get the blessings of Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra. And we are also talking with the management of VHP to bring Ram Lala also on that day to the Rath Yatra. So also we had so many seva opportunities because no festival can happen without the support of devotees. So on that day we are expecting close to 2,000 devotees. So we are gonna make prasad for everyone. One of the Prabhupada used to say wherever there is a ISKCON temple, nobody should go without prasad in 5 kilometers in the radius. So prasad distribution is one of the main activities, spiritual activities for ISKCON. So we had certain seva opportunities on that day. If you would like to be part of this, please see me after this program. We'll have a stall also. So Prashad Seva is for $5,100. So you can contribute any amount which will go towards this Prashad preparation. Okay, $100, $500, $1,000, whatever you wish from your heart. But please help because this is all being done for the pleasure of Lordships. So Prashad Seva $5,100. Then we have DT's decoration tent $1,100. Then we'll have a main tent where everyone will be sitting $1,500. Book stall tent $1,100. Prashadam tent $1,100. Then flowers for the DTs $501. Then we are also offering sweets $501. Lemonade would be offered to the devotees $251. Fruits $251. Rat decoration $251. Bhoga $201. And main Aarti. We'll have a main Aarti sponsorship, new sponsorship. So those who sponsor the main Aarti, they will get the prasad directly from the plate, and also they will get a Maha garland directly from the DT. So the Maha Aarti sponsorship is $1,001. Please see me if any of you would interested to sponsor for any of these sevas, and that would be all going to the Rath Yatra. Okay. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. So now we'll have final Prashadam prayers. Before that, did we have Narsingh?
Thank you, Vana Prabhu. So you all mark your calendar for 29 June. Who is not coming? Matumbar? So you are in front of Ramlala, okay? So everyone promised coming on 29, the sports center was there for the charter to welcome Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath is coming to ISKCON Milton on 29 June. I know it's a long weekend, but when Lord Jagannath is coming, we have to forget everything that we have, right? Okay, so yes, as Prabhu said that we need your cooperation, you need your help, because our budget for that is almost around 22,000. So we need your support, please. Don't hesitate. Please give us whatever you can to make that program, because it is our program in Milton. So it is your responsibility to welcome Lord Jagannath. Okay? So please don't hesitate to meet Prabhu here. If whatever you can give, please give, so that we can have a very nice festival, chariot, festival of India and Jagannath Rath Yatra. Now, deity Ramlala is leaving ISKCON Milton very soon, but we want to have a picture. Do you want to have a picture with Ramlala?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we are going to organize in such a way that we are going to have. Where's the table? So the table will be here together with Prabhupada, and Sri Ramji will be here. And first of all the Prabhus, all the male devotees will be sitting. I don't want anyone, maybe you can be standing there, or maybe here, but everyone should be sitting here so that Prabhupada and Ramji will